What's up guys? This is Anakin from Jimbulag. And i-continue na natin ang ating series ng dope toys. Actually, itong susunod na toy natin ay matagal ko na na-order, pero ngayon lang natin siya bubuksan kasi wala tayong oras magbukas, busy tayo sa trabaho. Ano ko ba yung order ko? Send date October pa siya, so 5 months mahigit na, almost kalahating taon na nakatambak. Ito na bubuksan natin, and ang ating toy for toy reveal. Very protected ang ating laruan. Yun. Yeah. Yun. A box completely bubble wrapped. Okay. Hope yan. You know, we have here calling card from Orange Bucket Toys and Collectibles. Like, thank you sila. Okay. And here we go. It is Mini Action Series Voltes 5. Yes, nakabili ako sa Shopee ng Mini Series Action Voltes 5. And it is the pinakamahal sa series na to. So tatlo sila, alam naman natin yung Robot Romance Trilogy. Si Voltes 5, si Deimos, and syempre si Combattler V. And meron na akong Combattler V, which I have reviewed and unboxed. Yun yung pinakaunang episode ng Dope Toy series natin, which I'll be linking down on the description below. And I have the second one. Pinakamahal siya kasi this cost me around 5,000 pesos. And Deimos and Combattler V only cost 2,000 pesos. So kitang-kita nyo naman, na-double yung presyo. So ano yung laman? Yan, kompleto siya. Siyempre, sige huli ko. The Volt Cruiser, yung kay Steve, kay Mark, ang Volt Bomber, and kay Big Bird, si Volt Panzer, kay Little John, si Volt Frigate, and syempre kay Jamie, ang Volt Lander. So let's unbox this bad boy. You need to be careful. Small. Oh, there you go. Hop right in. Okay. Time to unbox the truth. Wow. Bro. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. So, ito ang meron siya. Yan, yung mga parts si Voltes 5 syempre. And yung kanyang famous laser sword and a couple of hands. Buksan natin isa-isa. Kaya magbubukas. Okay, so syempre ito, Volt Cruiser. Yan, makikita nyo. Yan ang Volt Cruiser. Kita na yung mukha ni Voltes 5 actually. Pero the attention to detail, bro, the quality, it's actually good. Yan muna siya. Siyempre, yung kayong Mark, which is the Volt Bomber. Yan. Yan na siya actually. Mamaya, let's voltin natin sila. Ayan muna yan. Siyempre, ang Volt Panzer. Built like a tank. Volt Frigate. Little John. Siyempre, The Voltlander. Sounds like Homelander for me, but there it is. Accessories. Ayan. Ayan, pakuha. Yan. The famous laser sword. Very nice build quality. And some couple of fans. Lalabasan tayo ng dalawa. Wala yung close hands na lang yan. One. Oh, pang-offer na sword yung dalawa. Oh. Close hands na pwede yung pang-offer. Okay, nice. That's nice. Ah, makuha. Yan, two. Yan. Okay. So, nakita natin. Build quality niya. Sabi nga nila, let's bolt in. Headwood. Parang sa TV series lang. Ay, nakatusok yung ulo ni Voltes 5. Okay, there you go. Medyo mahirap siya. Ulan ng Stevie. Ulo. Bago na. Yung arms ni Voltes 5. Okay. Oh. Yeah. 2 out of 5. Oh, ito pala kapag ano siya, little cross siya. Okay, just circle it right under here and we close it. Yeah. 3. Next. And we'll go. Oh, this is really good. Nice. Okay. Oh, lubos pala siya. Okay. There you go. 4 out of 5. Not siya tumayo. Lastly, ayaw tumayo. Ang shoes. Kailangan nakatagay si Jamie. For some reason, kailangan nakatagay siya. There you go. Build them up. Time to build them up. Okay. Build muna. Oh, there you go. Nakabit ka na sa ulo niya. Next, the body. Rest there. Siyempre, si Little John. Yun. Okay. There you go. Shoes. Shoes. Hey. Siyempre, the hand. Oh! Self-balancing. It's detached. Okay, so there you have it in its all form and glory. Voltes 5. Nabuo na siya. Medyo struggling lang sa ibang parts, lalo na parang wala siyang peg dito sa shoulder. Hindi ko lang siya nakabit na maayos, or talaga nagre-rest lang siya na parang ganon. Yeah, parang ganon yan talaga. So, maybe meron pa. Look at that. Look at the design. Tayo natin ang on. Tikite. Natin yung camera. Okay, yeah, look at that. Look at Voltes 5. So, malit lang siya kasi mini-series nga. It's like 112. Tawag doon. Yung kanyang ano ba nga nila? Parang ratio or something sa model, yung model niya. Yeah, look at that. It really resembles Voltes 5, and I am really looking for a Voltes 5 collection simula nung bata pa ako. And even for this, kahit maliit lang, I'm actually happy na meron na akong isang Voltes 5 na collection. And hindi lang yun, meron din akong kung Battler V na mas naman akong binili na kakambal ng Voltes 5 dahil literally na magkamukha sila. And look at the details. Wow. The head and everything. Oh man, it screams Voltes 5. Kahit yung likod nyo, look at how it's not that bulky. I guess. Pero kung naayos ko siya look at that. Voltes 5 na Voltes 5 yung dati, man. Bro. And syempre, articulation wise, yeah, it's good. Look at that. Yeah, yung shoulder lang niya medyo parang umaangat or something. Yan. Awkward. But pwede na. And yung pinti niya, hindi gano'n na yung sa legs. Yan. Pero pwede mo siya ibaba para yan. So, kailangan pang ibaba. Yan. Makababa siya. Kailangan mo ibaba. Para lang ano mo siya sa action na nakasipa or something. Pero yung tuhod niya naman, okay naman. Articulation ng kanyang tuhod. Wala siyang ikot ng waist. Gumigot yung waist, takot ka na. And the feet, not bad. Can be, pwede siya matapilok. Something pa not that fully yung kanyang okay. That's Voltes 5 for you. Kung may kita nyo, kitang-kita naman. I wish mas marami siyang accessories, most mga kamay and everything, kasi ito na yung kasama. Just yung kanyang laser sword. Look at that, bro. Natatanggal ata itong sa picture. Oh yeah, look at that. Can be detached para kunwari yes, naging laser sword na yung yung kanyang crest symbol. Ayan. Mas maganda siguro kung itong symbol sa gitna ay nalalagay na attach sa espada. Mas maganda siguro yun. At siguro pwede yung double hands sa pag ng espada. There you go. Actually, meron. Yan. Can actually hold. Pero kung may papansin, medyo awkward na hindi na gano hawak nung second hand niya. Pwede na lang siya yung forma na parang hinahawakan niya ng buo. There you go. Parang hawak na niya ang kanyang laser sword. Yeah. So, yeah. Mga batang 90s yan na naman kay Voltes 5. This is a really good collection. You can take photos of it. You can play with it. Most probably, I'll put it on display with my Battler V. And syempre, soon, si Daimos, isasama ko na rin. Shadow is killing me. And there you have it. The mini action series Voltes 5 in its glory. Oh my god, I like this figure. Brings so much joy to me na meron na akong Voltes 5. And ang masakit lang dun, ang mahal. It's 5,000 pesos for figure that is sport. Pero hindi na rin masama kasi may nakikita ko mga figures sa Voltes 5 ranging from 15,000 pataas, depende sa laki. Yung 1/6 ata na aspect ratio. The scale, yun, scale yung hinahanap kong word. Yung mga 15,000 pataas na rin. But for me, I'm actually contented by this. Okay na sa akin to. It's Volts 5, you know. So, alam mo, Volts 5. I'll be linking down in the description below yung kung saan ko nabili itong si Voltes 5. And please subscribe for more content like toys, games, and everything in between, mga hobbies ko. So, that's it. This is Anakin from Jimbulag, and see you next time.